In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition wire on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the side of the motor. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 16 screws for the inner fender liner. There should be one more right here. Remove the inner fender liner. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to pull the wire off of the plug. We're going to grab the metal shielding, pull straight back, and pop it off. We'll go on to the top, grab the plug, pull straight down, and remove it from the vehicle. Install the new coil wire up into place. You'll feel it click into place. Make sure it's fully seated. Install the wire onto the spark plug. Push until you hear a click or feel a click. Give it a small pull, make sure it's locked on. Repeat the same process for all of the ignition wires. Install the fender liner. We're going to get the back started first. Tuck it down into place behind the mud guard. Tuck the fender behind the front bumper. Go around and snug down all of the screws for the fender liner. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.